When I first saw this, I couldn't say a word from shock. Because this wasn't just a building. This was a dragon. A magnificent dragon standing on the rocks, facing the sea, its mouth open, its teeth visible, its eyes watching the view. Who built this? Who imagined something like this? And who could abandon something like this? I don't know the answers, but I know this structure was not dead. Vines had climbed over it, the walls had cracked, the pool was filled to the top with filth. But the dragon structure was still standing. It was still looking at the sea. It was still waiting. That morning, as the operations began, the sound of the real struggle was heard for the first time. And we learned, and we made our decision.
All right.
What does it feel like to sit inside a dragon structure? Outside, there is the sea. Below, there are the rocks. Above, there are the beautifully crafted eyes of the dragon. And we are building the living room of this structure. The couch is expensive, warm, safe, surrounded by the walls of these legendary lands. This living room is not an ordinary room. This place feels almost like the inside of a dragon world. Our team, with our hard work, restored it into something world-class.
Almost got it. Where's the next one? Over by the door. Watch your step.
Make sure that panel is level before it locks it.
Okay, lift it on 3. Ready? Got it. Got it. Watch the wall clearance. All right, slide it left. Easy now. Let's get this rolled out straight. Okay, push it towards the center wall.
Watch the alignment on the symbols. Does this dragon line up with the molding? Yeah, that looks perfect. Keep going with the gold leaf.
Watch out below. I'm drilling this last section in. Clear, clear. Bring that sofa table over here when you're done.
You are making coffee or brewing tea inside the dragon structure. Through the window, you can see the sea. The waves crash against the rocks, and you simply enjoy the view and wait, waiting for the water to boil. This moment, this silence, this view, they do not exist in any kitchen in the world. They exist only here, only in this structure. And we designed this kitchen for that moment, with a level of luxury and quality that money cannot buy.
Pour it slowly over there. Okay, I am spreading this section now.
Put that table right here.
Okay, I got it.
Where did the chopsticks go?
All right, try flipping the switch on circuit 3. Powering up now. Looks good from here.
The sea surrounds you in a rainbow-shaped horizon while you shower. The glass fogs up. It's very warm. Outside, there is the ocean. Inside, there is you. This cannot be described. It's more like releasing stress, like resetting your mind. Far away from the city, far away from noise, even far away from reality itself. Only water, silence, and the walls of the dragons. This bathroom was designed for that feeling.
Floor is looking much better now. Yeah, finally got all the mud out. Still a long way to go with these walls, though.
Watch the left side, it's heavy. Easy now. Does it line up with the pipes yet?
Yeah, almost there, just a little more to the right.
Watch the left side, it's heavy. Easy now. Does it line up with the pipes yet?
Yeah, almost there, just a little more to the right.
Is the toilet secure now? Yes, just tightening the last bolt. Are you finished folding the towels? All set. The layout looks great.
Hold that pipe steady. Secured. Is the water connected yet? Almost there.
Open your eyes in the morning, and it's magnificent. You are inside the dragon. Through the window, you can see the sea. Light reflects off the walls. Outside, there are the waves, and inside, there is a sense of freedom. And you simply lie there. You don't need to go anywhere. You don't need to do anything. The strangest, most beautiful, most magnificent bedroom in the world could not exist anywhere else. The people who once lived in this structure must have been unlucky to leave a place like this behind.
All right, pour the next bucket right there. Looks good. I'll spread it towards the corner to smooth it out.
All right, secure that corner bracket. It's in. Now let's grab the mattress. All right, lift it up slowly. Hold it steady right there. I'm attaching the mount. Wires are connected. Looks secure.
There truly had to be a war room worthy of this dragon structure. Something that matched its legendary appearance. A dragon is already a warrior, powerful, fast, fearless, and this room carries that spirit. You walk in here in the morning. The floor is solid, the air is cool, the silence is complete. The movement begins. Its eyes are watching you. This room is not only for training, this room is for the mind, for discipline, for strength. You practice Kung Fu. Isn't it perfect? You are becoming stronger inside the dragon.
Outside with the rest of the debris. This one fits perfectly. Good. Keep them coming. We're making progress now. Hold it steady right there. It's really heavy. Okay, the chain is secure now. Watch the floorboards over there. Almost got this vent installed. Hang the G right here by the swords.
The corridors are the breath of the house. The transitions between rooms continue, moving from door to door, and in those passing moments, the structure whispers something to you. In this corridor, the dragon decorations are telling you something. The walls change, the light changes, the sound of the sea comes from outside, and you keep moving, walking toward the next place. You feel curiosity. You wait. This corridor was designed for that curiosity.
All right, watch your step over there. All right, let's get this case out of here. Careful, it's heavy. I got the front. Watch that edge.
The cracks are sealing up nicely. Good, let's start packing the gear on this side. Clear the debris from the center line. Turn on the floor buffer, and let's get this polished. Secure that panel. The warm lights really changed the feel of this place. Yeah, looks a lot better now.
You enter through the mouth of the dragon. These stairs rise upward from that mouth. On every step, there are carvings, lights, and ocean-colored walls beside you. Every movement carries you higher with the dragon. This structure does not exist anywhere else. In no building, in no structure, nowhere in the world do stairs like these exist. Only here, only inside this dragon.
We need more sealant on level 3.
I took a step back, and I looked at what we had created. On the rocks, facing the sea, beneath the clouds, stood the dragon structure. The vines were still there. The walls were shining. The dragon's eyes were clean and watching. The teeth were sharp. The mouth was open. The helicopter pad was ready. The pool was there, and inside it, the sky looked like it was burning. And we made it. It wasn't just empty words. Restoring it suited us, and we had the power to do it. In every restored stone, in every cleaned section, in its warrior-like appearance, it was saying, I am still here. It was saying, I never left. I don't know who built it. I don't know why, but I never understood why you abandoned it. Because this structure could never be abandoned. This structure was a legend, and legends never end. This was a design concept, but that light shining in the dragon's eyes, walking up those stairs, moving through those corridors, that was always real. And it always will be. Which room of the dragon would you want to stay in? Tell me below. If this video pulled you into its world, there's a playlist on the screen. You can subscribe to my channel and watch more videos like this.